Ever sit beside someone you love but feel completely invincible? You talk, they nod. You share something very personal and all you get is a distracted, You are in the same room but miles apart emotionally. That kind of silence doesn't always scream. Sometimes it just whispers. And that whisper grows into distance. One of the most painful things in a relationship is feeling unseen, not unloved, just unnoticed. And that pain is quiet but powerful. Today, I'll brutally break down why that disconnection happens, even in good relationships. The hidden signs that your partner may be emotionally checked out. And how to rebuild connection so both of you feel seen and valued again. Part 1. Why feeling unseen hurts so much? Human beings are wired to be emotionally recognized. When someone truly sees us, our emotions, our energy, our essence, it affirms you matter. But when that stops happening, even in subtle ways, the mind starts interpreting it as rejection. For example, maybe you shared something exciting about your day and they barely even looked up from their phone. You laugh it off, but deep down, you felt that sting. Secondly, maybe you opened up about how you're feeling and they said, "Oh, you are overreacting." They didn't mean harm, but it landed as you don't matter. Emotional invisibility slowly chips away that connection. It makes you question your worth, your desirability, even your role in that relationship. And that's why it hurts deeper than words can explain. When people feel unseen, they stop trying. And when they stop trying, emotional distance becomes normal. Part 2. The silent drift. How connection fades. Disconnection rarely happens overnight. It's built through a series of small moments where presence is missing. Number 1, emotional fatigue. When life is overwhelming, work, stress, responsibilities, people start emotionally withdrawing without even realizing it. Your partner may not be ignoring you intentionally. They may simply have nothing left to offer or to give emotionally. For example, you get home exhausted, you want to talk, they give one-word answers, you feel invincible. They feel like they can't meet your expectations anymore. 2, unspoken needs in many relationships. People expect their partner to just know what they need. But love isn't telepathy, it's communication. Let's say you are craving a quality time. They think they are showing love by paying bills or by doing chores. Both feel unappreciated and both feel unseen. The third one is surface level interactions. Being in the same room is not the same thing as being emotionally connected. Now, many couples spend hours together, but they never truly talk. For example, you watch TV, scroll your phones, eat dinner, but there is no emotional check-in. Over time, the bond weakens quietly. It's not about lack of love, it's about lack of intentional connection. At 3, signs your partner may feel unseen too. Now, here is something many people miss. When you feel unseen, chances are your partner feels unseen too. Conversations feel like transactions, not connection. They withdraw or go silent more often. Emotional moments are replaced by sarcasm, deflection, or avoidance. You both stop reaching out as much as before. Physical closeness remains, but emotional depth is gone. You may be waiting for them to say or see you again, and they may be waiting for you to do the same. Two people sitting beside each other, both striving for connection, but they are waiting for who will make the move. Part 4, how to feel seen again and rebuild connection. The good news is disconnection isn't final. Emotional visibility can be rebuilt, but it starts with courageous connection. Name your need without blame. Saying you never listen to me creates defense, but saying I miss feeling close when we talk, that opens heart. You are expressing a need, not launching an attack. For example, instead of saying you don't care about me anymore, try something like, I've been feeling a bit invincible lately and I would love for us to reconnect. Create a sacred check-in time. Love grows in presence, not in perfection. Choose a time, even if it's just 15 minutes a day, to put phones away. Look each other in the eyes and truly listen. Some couples call it a daily check-in. Others just sit in silence, holding hands. The goal isn't deep conversation every night. It's presence. 3, mirror back what you hear. One of the fastest ways to make your partner feel seen is to reflect their feelings back. For example, your partner will just be, oh, I'm just tired of feeling unheard. So what you're saying is you feel like I don't truly listen sometimes. This small act creates a massive emotional shift. It tells them, oh, I see you, I hear you, and you matter. 4, heal the micro disconnections. Connection is built in the small moments. Saying good morning, looking up when they speak, checking in emotionally, not just logistically. These micro moments rebuild the bridge that disconnection creates. Example, instead of walking out the door silently, say something like, hey, I love you, have a good day. Instead of ignoring their small win, celebrate it as if it's huge. Part 5. Now, this is my closing message. Feeling unseen is not the end of love. It's the beginning of an opportunity to rebuild a stronger and more intentional connection. Relationships doesn't end because people stop loving. It ends because people stop seeing each other. Don't wait for a big crisis. Reconnect in the small moments. If this message hits home, share it with someone you love and subscribe for more real conversations that help you protect your emotional and mental health. And as always, I will see you in the next one.